A drone that only knows where it is when GPS works is not truly autonomous. Hi, I am Dr. Qamar. One of the most serious UAV challenges in 2026 is GPS denied environment. Why? Because some of the most important drone missions happen exactly where GPS is weak, blocked, jammed, or unreliable. For example, indoors, densities, under bridges, in canyons, near interference, in contested environment or congested environments. Recent 2025 and 2026 reviews on GNSS denied UAV navigation make the challenge clear. Robust autonomy in these environments depends on sensor fusion, relative and absolute localization methods, terrain or scene matching, and strong computational trade-offs. Industry is also responding with integrated visual aided navigation systems specifically aimed at denied environments. So the answer is not one sensor, it is layered navigation. That might include IMU, cameras, visual inertial odometry, terrain matching, map matching, radar, or the other non-visual cues. My 2026 view, the strongest drones will not be the ones with the best GPS data. They will be the ones that keep going when GPS stops being trustworthy. Thank you.